Hello, I'm Loy Carlos with the Corgan Group, and welcome to Sutton Square. It's one of the most iconic views in all of New York, and it's just the beginning. So come and follow me. This private cul-de-sac is filled with elegant Georgian-style townhouses, the most magnificent of which is number 7. Let's take a look inside, shall we? As soon as you step in, you're immediately wowed by this double-height vestibule showcasing intricate moldings that set the tone for the entire residence. As you proceed into this dramatic gallery, you can't help but notice the ornate filigree staircase that's sunlit from above by a glass-ceilinged rotunda. All of the formal entertaining spaces flow from here, including the great room. The sheer expanse of this great room is indicative of the scale of the whole home, which is well over 9,500 square feet. Even at first glance, you can see why this is the social heart of the home. It has such an easy flow between the multiple seating areas. And it's so bright and airy because of these 2 floor-to-ceiling bay windows that overlook your private garden and, of course, the river. Other details include 2 marble fireplaces, parquet Versailles floors, and intricate gilded paneling. Being here just makes you feel like royalty, and we're just getting started. This master floor that's patterned after the Queen's Room in Versailles is really my favorite, and it has a closet space that's surely fit for a queen. Even the trim and millwork are wrapped in French velvet. The details of this marble fireplace is simply exquisite. There is only one word that describes this master bathroom of onyx and gold: opulent. And here we are in the handsome oak-paneled library overlooking the river. This view provides the perfect inspiration to either read a book or write your next bestseller. These windows offer the best views. Actually, I know one better. Who's not going to fall in love with this? Imagine entertaining your friends with a spectacular view of the Queensboro Bridge and the city skyline. Sure, there are many townhouses in New York, but how often do you find a private oasis in the city? Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the stately home in one of the city's most private enclaves.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?